sihleliswe kanye naye siyanqoba kanye naye, uma savuswa kanye naye siyaphumelela kanye naye. Nalizwi uJesu alithumelayo esimeni sakho elithi nothing is impossible when we believe. Yini emkholelayo uNkulunkulu, may it come to pass. Umkholela healing, may it come to pass. Umkholela financial breakthrough, may it come to pass. Umkholela ukuphumelela, may it come to pass. Egameni likaJesu nalizwi elithunyeliwe. Kwathiwa you are not going to be the last, but you are going to be the first. Kwathiwa you are not going to be down, but you are going to be up. Noma ubani ophethe izinto zakho wayiphosa ngemuva so that you will be forgotten. May God remember you, and may Jehovah make people to remember you. Izinto zakho zibuyiselwe, uma applications zakho abuyiselwe. Your loan application must be improved, must be approved. Egameni likaJesu, whoever must sign your documents, egameni likaJesu, mawalandele ngemuva, bawabele ngaphambili. Ngoba kuthiwa lithathe semsamo limbeke phambili, lisuse phambili limbeke emsamo. Umizwi likaNkulunkulu selifikile phezu kwempilo yakho. Malifika likhuluma lithi iBhayibheli lishita izimo okufile bese liyavuka. Lavusa uLazaro, wafuswa istatement esithi Lazaro come out. Namhlanje zophuma impilo yakho. You are going to come out intact. Awuzuphuma usenezifo, awuzuphuma usenokugula. Sithi nalizwi elikhulunywa ehlane ozwayo mangalalele uthi uJesu noma isiphi isimo esi-against your life, come out in the name of Jesus. Namhlanje siyabizwa, sibizwa ukuthi siye kulesi strati. Lesi strati sine prosperity, lesi strati sine breakthrough yethu, lesi strati sine zinto zethu, lesi strati sine healing yethu. All we need to do is to respond to the word. Elithena wosana uma siya kuye akasilahleli ngaphandle kodwa yavuleka iminyango. May every door be opened before you. May every door that has been closed and shut in your life forever and ever. But today we speak egameni likaJesu ukuthi le minyango mayivuleke. Iminyango yamathuba amasha mayivuleke. Iminyango yama-relationship amasha mayivuleke. Iminyango yempumelelo mayivuleke. Iminyango yebhizinisi elisha mayivuleke. Iminyango yepromotion mayivuleke egameni likaJesu. Whatsoever door oyidingayo lawo apply khona noma ungaqualify, but may Jehovah remember you.